The latest version of standalone RapidAuto is enhanced with smart automatic update that allows for reflecting of engineering data changes in technical publications. Let's see how easy it is to update and create a complete and up-to-date catalog for a configuration-specific product. I have an existing project for a pump catalog that must be updated with the new revision of the assembly. Choose Input Data from the File menu to launch Rapid Generator. Click Setting. You should use the same import profile that was used for the former data import for this catalog. Then click Update and choose the 3D file. As you can see, the new revision file can have a different name. Now the project contains updated information. Use the Update wizard to review, accept or reject changes. There are some changes to the DPL rows based on the updated geometry. Switching the initial and updated view, you can see that the washer is now a new part which has been added to the project. It's also highlighted in the DPL table and in the item tree. Another updated part has different geometry. You can notice it in the 3D window. This part has also a different part description in the DPL table. On the Item tab, changes are shown that are not related to the DPL table. In our case, the bolt was repositioned. We have reviewed all changes and can accept some of them or accept all. The new added part and the DPL row have no item number. We could easily edit it in the DPL table. Then we choose on which IPC pages this part should be displayed. The new part is seen on the IPC page with exploded view. We will activate the washer in the DPL table on this page. On the other page, the assembly which contains the washer is deleted. That is why we will delete the washer on the item tree too. The explosion view should be edited a little bit. We need to include the new part to the explosion collection using drag and drop and open the explosion wizard. To reposition the part, we should exclude it from the explosion group. You can see how easy it is to reposition parts in the explosion wizard. Let's update the generated 2D image and callouts. Choose Edit 2D images and then click Update. The callout and the new parts are added. The geometry has changed. It's quick and easy to keep your spare parts catalogs up to date while spending fewer resources. You could preview the publication. It's a plugin-free HTML5 based publication. It looks perfect. The engineering changes are accurately reflected in the 3D graphics, in the DPL table, in 2D graphics, in callouts, in explosion views and in animation, and this all takes less than 5 minutes. New RapidAuto enables authors not only to reuse any 3D data and bill of materials to create interactive parts catalogs using many automated functions, but also automatically update publication when engineering data changes. You can reuse the existing documentation of basic model and quickly and easily update it for configuration-specific product documents.